Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see top 6 WooCommerce useful plugins for your store. Without wasting any time, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. Before we get into the video, let's see why we use these plugins and why is it useful. WooCommerce plugins, also called as extensions, are powerful tools that can turn a basic website into a professional, high-converting online store, and the best part, you do not need to write a single line of the code. With right plugins, you can improve your store's design, boost your sales, automate tasks like payment and shipping, create a much better shopping experience for your customers. On the top 6 plugins, first we are going to see Advanced Who Search bar for the WooCommerce store. As a first step, log into your website cPanel using the SeekaHost in your client area or directly by accessing the cPanel. Now go to the option WordPress Manager by software class. Here log into your WordPress dashboard. On the WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins option and click on the add plugins button. Now on the search bar, search for Advanced WhoSearch plugin. Here you can see the first plugin, Advanced WhoSearch. Click on the install button and install the plugin, and click on the activate button to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, go to the plugin settings page. In the settings page, scroll down and change the seamless integration off to on and click on the save changes button. Now again scroll down and click on the reindex table button to index the tables. Now go to your WooCommerce store page. Now on the search bar, search for the product. If you entered the first 3 letters of the product, you can see the product that was showing here. Now go to the same plugins page and deactivate the plugin. Once the plugin is deactivated, now search for the product on the same search bar. You won't see the product here unless you type and enter the full product name. This is how this plugin works. Now on the top 6 plugin list, we are going to see the second plugin, GTranslate. Make your website as multilingual. On the WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins installation page. Now on the search bar, type for translate. Now you can see the first plugin, Translate WordPress sites with GTranslate. Click on the install button and install the plugin. As usual, once the plugin is installed, click on activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, go to the plugin settings page. Here the first section you can see the widget options. Here widget look, you can choose it as per your needs. And you can see the preview on the right side. Here you can set up the settings for the widget. As a first step, set the settings for your widget as per your needs. After setting this general settings, if you scroll down, you can see lot of languages to translate the website. Choose the languages that you want to translate. And now on the right side, you can see the widget preview button. You can see how it looks. If you want to change the widget look or widget settings, you can change it on the left side options. Once you configure those settings, scroll down and click on the save changes button. And now load your WooCommerce store. On the right side corner, you can see the widget. Now click on the widget and change the language for the website. Now we are going to see the third plugin in the list, Customizer for WooCommerce. On the same WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins installation page. And now on the search bar, search for Customizer for WooCommerce. Click and install the first plugin that you are seeing in the screen. As usual, activate the plugin after installation. And now go to the plugin settings page. Now on the settings page, if you scroll up, you can see the section add to cart button text. Here you can customize the add to cart button text for the simple product, variable product, grouped product and out of stock products. In short, whatever the text you enter here, it will show instead of the add to cart button for the selected products. To show you an example, I have entered the text for the normal product. Now load your website. Now you can see that the add to cart text has been changed to my text. Now on the sale flash section, enter the text that need to show instead of the sale badge text. For example, I have entered for sale now. Now on the layout selection, enter the product displayed per page and the product thumbnails columns displayed per page and product columns displayed per page, and click on the save changes button. Now load your website. Now you can see that the changes that you have made appear here. If you go to the same settings page, you can see other 3 options on the top of the page. Product page, checkout, MISC. On the product page, you can customize the product related details here. For example, product description title, add to cart button text and everything. Once the changes has been made, click on the save changes button and load your website. Now you can see that the changes that was made in the customizer plugin was appearing in your website store. Now come back to the same customizer settings page. Here on the top right corner, you can see the checkout option. Click and open it. In this page, you can customize the checkout page related informations. Now on the top right corner, click on the MISC option and open it. Here you can customize the tax related stuffs here. Once you customize the details, click on the Save Changes button to save the changes. Now in the list of top 6 plugins, as a fourth plugin we are going to see YITH WooCommerce Quick View plugin. As a first step, go to the same plugin installation page. Now on the search bar, search for YITH WooCommerce Quick View. Click the Install Now button for the first plugin that you are seeing on the screen. Once the plugin has been installed, click the Activate button to activate the plugin. Now go to the plugin settings page. Now on the general options, on the second option you can see Quick View button label. Enter the text that you want to see instead of the Quick View button. I am entering the small description about the product. Now on the contents option, choose the product description type and enter the product image descriptions and click on the Save Changes button. Now on the left side, click on the customization option. Here you can configure the style options for the Quick View content. Once you configure the styles here, scroll up and click on the Save Changes button to save the changes. Now load your website. Now you can see the new button named Small Description of the Product. If you click it, the description of the product will open. Now go to the same plugin settings page. On the general settings option, change the product description type to short description to full description. Now come back to our website and reopen the same option, and now you can see the full description of the product. Now on the top 6 plugins, as a fifth plugin we are going to see Featured Video for WooCommerce Store. On the WordPress dashboard, go to the same plugin installation page, and now on the search bar, search for Featured Video for WooCommerce. Install and activate the first plugin that you are seeing in this screen. Once the plugin is activated, go to the plugin settings page. Here leave the settings as it is, and now on the right side you can see the products option. Click and open the all products option. Here click the edit option for any one of the products. In this edit product page, if you scroll up, you can see the option named Featured Video on the left side. Here on the video source, choose local or YouTube. If you are choosing the local, you need to upload the file here. If you choose YouTube, you need to upload the video's URL here. Let me show you an example using the both options. Now on the video section, enter the YouTube video's URL, and if you want to choose a thumbnail for this video, click on the browse option and add the thumbnail from your uploaded items. Now scroll up and click on the update product option. Now load your website and go to the particular product page. You can see the video is running there. Now on the same edit product page, choose the video source as local and upload your video from your local storage. After uploading the video, scroll up and click on the update product option. Now go to the same product page. Here you can see that the uploaded video is playing without any issues. Now on the top 6 plugins, as a last plugin we are going to see product gallery slider for the WooCommerce. Now go to the same plugin installation page. Now on the search bar, search for product gallery slider for WooCommerce. And now if you scroll up, you can see the fourth plugin named Product Gallery Slider Additional Variation Images for WooCommerce plugin. Click the install button and install the plugin and activate the plugin. At last, open the plugin settings page. In the settings page, on the general option section, you can set up the slider's default settings like the slider animation, the animation speed. Now it has to be slide infinitely or not, like this. Once you configure the settings here, scroll down and click on the save button. Now on the left side you can see the lightbox options. Click and open it. Here you can customize the lightbox related settings like the lightbox background, the lightbox text color and everything. Once you customize the things here, please scroll up and click on the save button. Now on the left side you can see the zoom options section. Click and open it. Here you can configure the zoom option settings, and the fourth settings was the thumbnail options. Click and open it. Here you can customize the thumbnail related settings for the mobile, desktops and tablet. Now on the left side you can see the advanced options option. Click and open it. Here you can customize the slider in the advanced level by using the CSS codes. And final option on the left side you can see the backup settings. Click and open it. Here click on the export and download button. It will download the backup of this particular plugin. Now click and open the text file in the notepad. Now copy the code in the notepad and paste it on the empty box and click on the import button. It will import all the settings that was from your previous plugin. Now on the left side, click on the products option and go to the all products page and select any one of the product by clicking the edit option. Now on the edit products page, if you scroll up, you can see the option named product gallery on the right side. Now upload the images for the product gallery. Once the images has been uploaded, update the page and click on the link and open the particular page. Now you can see that the image from the particular product was changing drastically. That's all friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts on the details mentioned in this video, please drop a comment, we will assist you on that. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant updates about the video, please press the bell icon.